Out of 50 questions, our next question is 13th question. So short circuit condition. In any short circuit condition, current is very high and voltage is almost zero. So here I have taken network. In that network we have two circuits. So first circuit is in normal condition, and the second circuit we have done short circuit. So that's why V1 voltage is very high, but V2 voltage is zero here, because we done at second end short circuit. So that's why this entire loop voltage is very less. That one is almost zero. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you, in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.